Hello Click Designers! So in this tutorial, we are going to be learning all about the favorite section on our ClickDesigns account, how to locate templates on our favorite section, and also how to add templates on the said favorite section. So this section is for when we have a specific template that we want to work on later, or a template that we don't want to lose. So when this happens, we can add these templates to our favorite section and look back at them later on. So once you've logged into your ClickDesigns account and are on your dashboard, simply go to the template section by clicking on templates above over here. Now, once on your template section, you can actually view several different categories of designs and graphics that ClickDesigns has to offer. So let's, for example, look through the covers. So let's say that I want to look for a template for that. So let's say I want to look at the reports. So let's look at the templates for reports. So I actually really like this template over here, but I don't want to use it just yet. I want to save it for a future design or maybe for later. So if I want to put this design on my favorites, I can do this by hovering over it. And if you can see this heart icon over here, simply clicking on that. So you can see on the bottom corner here, it says added to favorite. So that design is immediately on my favorite section. So to do this and to view this section, let's go back to our ClickDesigns dashboard. Once you're back on your ClickDesigns dashboard, you can click on this heart icon over here that you can see. It's right next to your profile on the top right-hand corner. So when you hover over that, it's going to say or read favorites. And when you click that, it is going to bring you to your favorite section. So as you can see, the report design that I added to my favorites is over here. I also have these other two designs, and they're all here on my favorites. It's very convenient for when I have a design that I want to save for later or look at maybe for inspiration or something that I want to work with in the future. So that is it. That is how you can locate and utilize the favorite section on your ClickDesigns account. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.